Hi everybody, I just want to tell you what this week's going to look like. So this week in math we'll be working on finding factors. Factors are simply just the numbers that you're multiplying together in an equation. So in this case 8 and 5 are the factors. A couple different ways that students can find the factors. We can use the array model. So they would have 12 cubes in this case, and the first set of factors they could find is 1 times 12, because there's one row with 12 in it. So then the next factor they'd be able to find would be 2 times 6, because now the array has 2 rows with 6 in each. So the second one is 2 times 6. Now the next set of factors we can find would be 3 times 4, because now we have 3 rows with 4 in each. Okay, so then the factors for 12 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Another way that students are going to learn how to find factors is the rainbow strategy. So they'll start with the number 1, and they'll think about 1 times what equals 16, and 1 times 16 equals 16. The reason they call it rainbow is because then you normally just draw your line between the two. So then they'd go to the next number, 2. 2 times what equals 16? 2 times 8. So you can see, the better they know their basic facts, the better they're going to do at this. Could be a struggle to start with for some. Okay, then they'll find out that some numbers don't work, so 3. And another way that you can tell your student to find that is they can count by 3s if they don't know all of the multiples of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So we know 3 does not work as a factor of 16 because you do not land on 16 when you're counting by 3s. So 3 would not work. And then we'd try 4, and we know that 4 times 4 is 16. And so then students would know 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 are all factors of 16. So finding factors will be our major focus for this week in math. In reading, we're going to be talking about story elements. So story elements include the setting, where and when does the story take place. Characters can be the person, animal, sometimes other character in a story or book. The plot, that's basically what the whole story is about. The conflict, every story has a problem or conflict, and it has to be solved. Then the resolution is the solution to the problem. This week we're going to be really focusing on the characters, and students are going to be, as they're reading through the book, they're trying to find the traits that each character has. So maybe a character is heroic, or a character is giving or kind. In writing, we're going to be working on writing small moment stories. So the event that a student might be writing about would be they went to the park. So the small moment stories could include things like going down the slide, or swinging, possibly playing tag, soccer, maybe going across the monkey bars. So you're taking that big event and you're breaking it down into smaller moments so they can be more detailed about it. And the last thing we'll be working on in science will be learning how to do FAIR test. One more thing I want to make sure everybody's aware of: important dates this week. Thursday, parent-led conferences are from 11 to 7. Okay? Have any questions, please contact me. Thank you. Bye.